Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about introduction to HTML, and by the end of this session, we should be able to understand the HTML language, create a simple web page, understand the components of a web page. So let's start. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's a language for creating web pages. HTML is not a programming language. It is a markup language. So another thing about HTML is that a markup language is a set of markup tags. Okay. Then also the markup tags describe how text should be displayed. So that is about HTML. Now this is now the structure of HTML document, whereby we have a header section, body section, and footer section. In the header section, we have opening and closing of whereby we have head in the middle and closing tag of head, whereby contain information about the web page. In body section, we have body, opening and closing tag, whereby it contains content of our web page. And in footer section, we have opening and closing tag of footer, whereby in this footer we have content of web pages. Now we have HTML structure. So as you can see here, this is a structure of HTML. HTML structure, whereby we have opening document type HTML public. It has been set to public. Then HTML head. So we have HTML, we have a body. Then we have closing, opening and closing tags in each case. So let's continue. HTML editors. We have so many editors, but I'm going to show you a few editors that we use in HTML. Now, HTML text editor is used to write HTML code and save that HTML file. There are different editors that are available to write HTML code, and these are some of them. We have Notepad. These are now editors that are recommended. We have Notepad. We have Notepad++, Micromedia Dreamweaver, and GNU, Emacs, Crimson Editor. Yeah, that is text editors that we use in HTML. These are Notepad++ editor, and that is the coding inside it. And we have also HTML tags. HTML is comprised of elements and tags. HTML tags are keywords surrounded by angles, bracket, like that is opening and closing. And in the middle, now we have an element. HTML tag normally comes with a pair, that is opening and closing tag. The first tag in a pair is the first tag in a pair is the start tag, and the second tag is the ending tag. Note, the start and the end are also called opening and closing tags. This is now a first HTML page, and here you can see we have opening tag and closing tag. Yeah, so as you can see in my program, we have opening tag and closing tag. But some of these tag they have only opening tags. So maybe I'll show you. So let's continue. HTML required tags. So we have HTML. It's a basic tag to identify portion of a file that contain HTML. HTML is an opening tag. That is that one now. And this one is a closing tag, not the direction of a slash. We have a forward slash here that shows the closing tag. Text between the opening and closing tag is called an element. So for example here now, HTML is an element. Okay. We have also a head tag. Head tag is placed at the top of the document immediately after the HTML tag. So tag information about the document, e.g. other, style, etc. Okay, it also contains the required document title, opening and closing tag. Yeah. Also, we have a meta tag, whereby it's used to specify keywords that describe a document's content as well as short description. So we have two necessary attributes of meta tag, whereby we have a meta name, keyword, content. So we have a meta name and content. Meta name, we have description, content, whereby it is both information page. Another required tag is a title tag. In title tag, we have it's included as an element inside the head section. Element of this tag is the title displayed in the title bar of the browser. May also be used as title of the page when page is bookmarked. It should be meaningful and uniquely identified the page. So we have also the body tag, whereby included as the second element inside the HTML tag. Follow the head portion of the document. Also, it contains the information to be displayed in the browser's window. Yeah. Another tag is a paragraph tag, opening and closing, whereby we have it includes an element inside the body section, and also it surrounds a paragraph of text. Yeah, and also we have the document type tag. Doc type must be very fast line of your file before the HTML, not an HTML tag. It is an instruction to your web browser, whereby it tells the browser what version of HTML to expect. In this course, we use only the strict HTML version 4.01 type. So we also have line breaks and a header section, whereby in this line break it is only no closing tag. So I told you I'll show you opening tag only, whereby it does not require the closing tag. So an example is line break, and also we have a horizontal line, whereby it does not require a closing tag. In heading tag, we have heading 1 to heading 6, whereby heading 1 is the largest and heading 6 is the smallest. A the archer tag or the hyperlink tag. One major attribute, the location of the hyperlink. So it shows the location of the hyperlink, and this is the reference. that is the string. And here is an example, a href. So this is now the link of that page. Click here to continue. Yeah, so that is the continuation. Here now we have the syntax of an HTML, whereby we have the HTML, the starting, followed by head, and title, whereby you open and close it, tag. Then here you close the header tag. Then you open the body tag. Then you enter your codings inside the body section. Then you close it. Then now you close the main program, whereby it's HTML. You close it. Then we have also basic tag, whereby we have the image tag. Image tag is used to display graphics in your web pages. So majorly this is used for displaying image graphics. Yeah. So whereby we have img src, whereby it shows the source of the picture and source of the picture, then and its name. Yeah, I think that is all. And also this img does not require the closing tag. Thank you. And then we have attributes. We have attributes, and attributes is a special code that can enhance or modify a tag, and they are generally located in the starting tag after the tag name. Here is the syntax, whereby we have the paragraph style, that is the color. We have the color red. Now here the color is the attribute name, and the attribute value is the color red. So we have the attribute name and the attribute value. Yeah, whereby the attribute name is color and the attribute value is the red. Now HTML comments also. Here is tag on how to write a comment. Comments are enclosed inside these tags. Opening and closing, we have an exclamation in, then you close it. An example is here. This comment will not be displayed. That is an example. Now this is now the whole program about HTML. This one describes the HTML version, and then here also we have the header section. You have the meta followed, then the head also open, title you open and close it. Now you close now the header section, then you open the body. Then this is whereby you enter your whole program. Then you close the body section and you close the whole program. That is all about introduction to HTML. I hope you enjoyed the session. I wish you well. Thank you very much.